Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading. So, in this video, I'm going to go over, especially, if you guys are part time trading like I am, it is tough to, be at the screens all day. So, what I did here today was I traded when the market presented those opportunities to me. So I was here in the pre-market and we finished up $250 and all I traded was the Russell 2K futures. We took 7 trades on it. Like I said, very, very, you know, decent day. I planned on coming in today and trading the pre-market gappers. There was nothing that looked good to me. Now, this is obviously a different list because I'm making this after hours, but it didn't look great to me. I couldn't find anything that I thought that I can trade and make a quick scalp or two. So I didn't trade momentum, went over to the Russell. Now, the Russell was really showing signs of making higher highs and higher lows in the past 10 days. So this is the 30-minute chart. You can see here very clear levels here. We got a bounce and skyrocketed. So this to me was looking, pretty good as far as making higher highs and higher lows. What happens here when it breaks the trend line? Not only did it fail to make a higher high, so right here, this is what happened during the trading day today. We started to make a lower high. How is that important? Well, once it breaks this trend line here, then this trend line is now resistance, which you can see right there. So what was support is now resistance. And that's why I'm constantly drawing out trend lines. I like to see where we're trending. If you trade with the trend, it's a lot easier to trade. So looking at today's action, coming into today, scalping a little bit, going down again, red on the day. This has been an issue for the last couple days. I've been starting off trying to get that bottom, trying to catch the bottom. The only problem is doing that on the futures is very difficult to pinpoint the bottom. It's easier to do if you're trading options. So if you were trading options on the IWM, this is the ETF that tracks the same way as the Russell 2K futures. If you were trading options on this, you're not going to go, deep in the red enough to get stopped out. Now, if you're trading the Russell, like I am, you don't want to go deep in the red. And you could get there very quickly. That's why you have to stop out. So a lot of times I'll stop out, keep my losses to a minimum, and then let my profits roll, which was right here. This was the area that I took advantage of the news about Russia, Ukraine. So that was my trade here. I'll just click show trades, see if it shows up. So scalped right here. This was a nice one. Very nice trade. Scalped the break of this level. It wasn't holding up. Got a good entrance and then took it off here. It continued down a lot more. So did I leave a lot of money on the table? Yes. But I was in for a minute. Right here, same thing. I got a great fill here at 27.5, which is right here. and took my profits right down here. Did it go lower? Yes. But I'm just scalping at this point. And I'm trading with the trend. The trend at this point is down. Same way it was yesterday when we saw that big sell-off in the middle of the day based on something somebody said in the Fed. That's all I want to do. I want to play the downside when I see this, flushing. And that's the key to trading futures. Take advantage when the volatility is really active and there. If you try to trade, the chop here, or like I try to trade in the pre-market, it makes it a lot tougher, to really make that money. So that's $250, and that all came right here. I was in the red. I was pretty, I think I was down about $200 before I saw these opportunities. And once again, flipped the script on my day and ended up in the green. That's now 2 days in a row where I went red to green, dug myself out of a hole because I was given an opportunity. This opportunity being below the trend line, having the geopolitical, issues going on with Russia and our country, and having, the press conference here, that's the reason to get in, and you can really scalp. But you're going to want, if you break trend and you break down, you're going to want to trade with that overall trend, which is obviously shorting the market at this point. I was not the only one shorting the market during this point. I missed that, which is fine. Like I said, part-time trading, I'm going to miss some of this stuff. But once I was alerted, thanks to our Discord, once again, bailing me out 2 days in a row, they let me in on the news, what was going on, and then the rest is history. So $250, very happy with how the day ended. My last 2 trades, my first 5 trades were not great. I think I went maybe 2 and 3, but I was in the red and then dug out of it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this trading part-time. Even though I'm trading every single day, you're just not able to constantly be at the screen. So you're at a disadvantage. So you just got to do the best you can when you do see those moves to take advantage of those moves. And that's what I did here today. So hit the thumbs up for the video, and I will see you back tomorrow with another one. Take care, guys.